Hey there, John Hooks here, and welcome to my review of Crypto Crackers. I am in the members area of it here, and let's get over to my bonus page and we'll explain what this is all about. Then we will come back and go through what is included in this course here. So from YouTube, either next to or beneath this video, go ahead and click on the link that says get my exclusive bonuses and Crypto Crackers here. Click on that link and it'll take you to this page that you see right here. All right, so Crypto Crackers, are you sinking into crypto confusion? Here you can finally discover the 60-second secrets of crypto. We make over $1,145 per month using this method. Okay, and so a little bit more about what it's about. And this is from the desk of Duat Islam here, this information here. So cryptocurrencies are an enigma for many people. They know that people are making a fortune by investing in cryptocurrencies, but they are frightened off by the wild fluctuations in crypto markets that can wipe out thousands of a price in a single day. But what exactly are cryptocurrencies? How do they work? How can you buy them, spend them, and cash them out into fiat currencies? And most importantly, how can you make money from them without taking a massive risk? In this entry-level course, I'm going to finally explain crypto in a way that a total beginner can understand. So even if you have no idea what a cryptocurrency is and how it works, this course will equip you with everything you need to finally understand what this amazing alternative financial world is about. Whatever your age, technical skills, or levels of financial experience, you'll be able to easily follow this course and learn the steps you need to take to make money with cryptocurrencies whilst virtually eliminating any risk. As well as my in-depth training about crypto, I'm also going to show you 3 different methods that you can use to start making money with crypto today, including the one that I'm currently using to make $1,145 in profit per month. Okay, so let's get back over to the course here. And so this is the members area, and just it's the typical members area here. And we're in the welcome. Then you have the overview, which will be another video as far as the overview of what's going on, and then of course the main training section. Now this is very educational. And Dawood goes into from the inception of cryptocurrency, which started out with Bitcoin back in 2009, all the way up to currently, current day. Ethereum has become the second largest one, and you go through all of that, understanding what it is, how it works, how it's used, how it's not used, what impact does it have on the current financial institution, as it's been standing for hundreds of years, now. And so you get a whole good education, and with all of that, then you go into the 3 methods of investing. So to go through this training section pretty quickly, of course we have the overview where we're at here, and then we go into the introduction to the training, then what is crypto, how crypto works, trading and investing crypto, how trading works, selecting a good cryptocurrency, trading and exchanges, picking coins, and then a blueprint for success. All right, and those are all good sections there. All right, and then you get your free your 3 free methods here. Method 1, Method 2, and Method 3. Not going to go into those into detail. You need to go ahead and get your course for that. But also start off with on how to get free crypto. Okay? All right. And so then after those methods, we go into the resources, and then the conclusion of everything that you've been to and what to do next. All right. Also, the bonuses that are being offered to you by Dawood. You got your bonus page builder, your secret weapon, how to make $100 a day on ClickBank, commission blueprint, and WordPlus super hack strategy. All right. And then the upgrades, if you did not take advantage at the beginning, you can pick your upgrades up here. whatever that you were interested in. Okay, and then you have some unadvertised bonuses and your global ambassador bonuses. Free product every month. Okay. All right, so let's go back and talk about what this is going to cost. So Crypto Crackers front end $12.95. So you're going to discover the secrets of crypto and everything that we had up there. You'll learn the 3 different low risk trading methods. That's averaging a percent per day. So percent per day is minimum 30% per month. So getting 5% in a year in normal in savings and investing, would be good. But here at 30% per month or more, that is fantastic. Okay, then we have a number of OTOs. And so one-time offer number 1, Crypto Crackers giveaway rights. So for $17 on the down sale, you get a bonus giveaway rights to Crypto Crackers so that you can give this product away as a powerful evergreen lead magnet to build a huge email list. Now, gosh, you got to get the front end, but for the free giveaway rights for $17 on the down sale, that can be tremendous in your success, especially if you're young, in your internet marketing or affiliate marketing career here. Okay, OTO number 2, mega traffic package for $27. That's where you can place any 5 URLs. They can be the same or they can be 5 different ones. On 5 traffic rotators, so that will get you, free traffic on a daily basis. Number 3 here, reseller rights. So for $27, you get the reseller rights to Crypto Crackers, and you get to sell it and keep 100% of the profits. OTO number 4, done for you weekly campaigns for $47, and this is where you're set up to 3 campaigns each week, including done for you bonus page with review video, the product demo, and 10 custom bonuses delivered to you that you can choose from to give away, and that requires Commission Gorilla to use. OTO number 5, the VIP package for $17, and here you get free VIP upgrades worth $64 each of all of 25 Dawood's sites, in the Make Money Online niche, plus put a banner of your choice in the rotator at all 25 sites on a permanent basis. So not bad, another way of drawing free traffic. Now, OTO number 6 is become a beta tester for the Elite Academy. That's $997 or 3 payments of $497. And so the Elite Academy is the upcoming high-end, high-ticket program for affiliate marketing. And so if you want to take affiliate marketing serious, you need some sort of upscale training. And so for a limited time, they're offering to include beta testers to this new high-ticket program. It launches later in April or May of 2022, so you can be one of the first to join. And when you get to this, once you purchase Crypto Crackers, you'll eventually come to the page that will explain what the Elite Academy is all about. Okay, and so the benefits, Crypto explained very simply, for beginners, so no tech skills required, completely passive income. It's full over-the-shoulder training, 3 different ways of making money with it. So you minimize any risk. You start earning today, start with any amount, and earn an average of 1% per day. And all of this comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. Now, there is a demo video here on my bonus page, so you can bookmark this page if you want to come back and check out this bonus demo video here at any time. Now, I do have some fantastic bonuses for you when you pick up Crypto Crackers through my link today. So traffic is something that you need if you're in internet marketing of any sort. So I am giving you 5 1,000 visitors to any link of your choice or links, plus 2,500 text ads, plus 2,500 banner impressions. Okay, $1,000 value, right there, just for picking up Crypto Crackers today. And then bonus number 2, another great value, investment secrets. All right, and these are the words of wisdom from a legendary investor. If you recognize the image there, Warren Buffett, and this is my exclusive digital download edition. Get it if you can. All right, then bonus number 3, Lazy Traffic Sniper, a system for monetizing and finding free buyer traffic. Bonus number 4, essential emails, another essential if you're going to have success in internet marketing. You need to know how to set up and run an email campaign, and this here will show you exactly how to do that. Bonus number 5 is called Zenobia. It's an underground method that that uses automation software to tap into 478 million active buyers. Okay, and bonus number 6 are the bonuses that we spoke of that Dawood is offering here. The bonus page builder, the secret weapon, how to make $100 a day, commission blueprint, and Warrior Plus super hack strategy. All right, and there you go. I mean, quick and simple. I would recommend picking this up. It's very educational, especially everybody's heard about cryptocurrency, and certainly not everybody has looked into it, because we just don't understand it, don't know what the risks are, don't know what it really is, don't know how to do it. And this here course will show you how. All right, sold on the Warrior Plus platform. And so please go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Go ahead and do that thumbs up and find that alert bell to keep you informed of the latest and greatest. I want to go ahead and take this time to thank you for taking your time to check out my review of Crypto Crackers and the review and bonuses. Appreciate it very much. I hope you have a fantastic day ahead of you, and as always, to your success.